back with a tutorial for a gift bag using paper. You can use any colored paper. You can also recycle your newspapers or old printout papers that you may not require any further. What you need is a paper, a box of any size. You can decide what size of a paper bag you need and choose the paper and box accordingly. A satin ribbon, glue, scissors of course, sketch pens, pencil, a scale, single punch. If you have one, it's wonderful. If you don't have one, don't bother. You can also use a normal office punch which we use for punching papers into our files. And of course some decoration. You can choose whatever decoration you want to use. So let's begin. Start with your paper and use a scale. With a scale, fold the paper holding it together at the edge. You just need to fold as much as your scale's width. Fold over, taking the guidance of the scale, and that's done. Once you're done folding the paper, what you need to do is take a box and place it. Place the box in a way that it comes to the end over here, on the folded line, and we're going to cover this box as if you're just gift wrapping it. But ensure that the fold over line where the paper wraps the box comes to the side. So we come here, set the box well. Yes, this is the overlap line that we need to be having, where this paper overlaps. A little more, so I don't have to cut. Have excess paper, you might have to cut it off from the sides. This is how you are ready with your box. Now what you do is start pinching so that you get the lines, the markings and the shape. Pinch all the sides so that you have clear guidelines. And once you have done that, take glue and stick it over here. Stick the flaps so that you're able to work it out. Remember to glue the entire portion. So you need to fold over and pack it up properly so that this entire thing is covered and connected. This is how gluing it together. Glue it and let it dry for a while. In the meantime, you can also think about what decoration you want to do. But let's not do that right now. First, finish the back making. While it is drying up, you can also start folding over from this side. As you see, this is the side of the box. This is the side we have folded with the scale. And this is the box where we are going to now make the base. So use 2 fingers, pinch it inward. Settling the box on my table because there is nothing hurting that. And fold it as if you are gift wrapping a box. As simple as that. Use your fingers well. Make marks so that you can fold. Ensure you have sharp edges at all sides. Also, this might feel like as if you are covering a book with some nice fancy paper. And you have these folding corners. You just need to fold over the corners. If there's excess, you can cut it off because it will keep coming in the way. Cut that off, and here it goes. Just fold it over. Keep pinching the corners so that you have the shape, and a well-presented shape is also very important. Excess corners which is coming over or outside the shape, you need to just chip it off. Good snip and a straight cut is very important, and again we glue this portion over here. While the box is drying up with the edges folded over and pasted, let's use our time to cut the satin ribbon for making the handles. We'll take a judgment, a fair judgment of how much size you want the handles to be. I wanted something like this size, so I'm going to make a judgment. If you wish to use a scale, I can tell you I'm using around 7 inches, 7.5 inches for my handles. I'm going to cut 2 pieces of it and keep it ready. So while we are done with the drying up of the bag, we will be done with the stuff. In the meantime, I can also use this lovely time to do the decorations, and I can finish my bag. At this point, very clearly ensure that you don't go outside the flap. If you do that, it may just spoil the look of the base. So just let it dry. This one you will have to leave aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes until it dries up and the base is ready. So basically you have made a gift wrapping without one side of closure and one side just like a gift box wrap. And leave it like this and let it dries up. While your setting is done, ensure that you use the glue inward, fold over, and then use the one on the outer flap as well. We will be using the glue on both sides. Now I have decided to put this little decoration right in the center, and I'm going to use it well to decorate it properly. You can choose whatever material you have around your creative box, and what I'm going to kind of snip them into halves to make a flower. So I have a few of them where I'm going to just cut them into halves. Yes, this is what my intention is. I'll stick it and I'll show it back to you all in a while. Let's begin now. So I have just pasted this decoration as I wanted and let it to dry. In the meantime, I'm going to push out the box slowly and remove it because our paper bag is now ready. This is our paper bag, which is absolutely ready. Now what you need to do is use your 2 fingers and fold the sides on the lines that you already have. You have those grid lines where you have. You will not change them. You're going to fold it so that you have it's like this. Just like the paper bags that you get from a mall or when they are fresh and you pick it up, how do you find them? This is how you will be having the fold. And since I have done decorations this side, I'm going to fold it on the other side. Keep it here. I can use my scale, flat guideline. That is your paper bag ready. Let your decoration dry up. You can just lay it flat. Now let's put up the handles. So for the handles, punch it. And make sure that you punch at the same place in both the sides. I'm going to punch them both together. My paper is not very thick. At a reasonable distance. Here and punch it far over here. I have got these 2 punches and I'm going to pass through the ribbons and tie a knot. Pass through the ribbon. We'll have to make a knot here. Same thing you do with them on this side. So here our paper bag is ready. This is how it looks after I have pasted or I've used the ribbons to add a handle. You knot them from both the sides. Put something inside. Just open them like this. It's a flat bottom bag. You can use it to gift something. You can use it to carry some small stuff around. And you can also make it with recycled paper or a newspaper as well. If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Give us a thumbs up and like this video.